Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a lovely tea time banana cake. This is a very good recipe if you have some extra bananas to use. So my ingredients are 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 150 gram of brown sugar, 150 gram of butter, which I'm going to microwave, 100 ml milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 200 gram of flour. Firstly, I'm going to smash my bananas by using a fork. Here's my banana that's smashed very well. Thereafter, I'm going to add in my eggs. And my sugar. Also beat this very well. To this, I'm going to add in my butter and then give it a whisk. And then I'm going to pour in my milk and also use 5 ml of my vanilla extract. And give this all a good mix. Here I have my 200 gram of flour sieved. So to my flour I'm going to add in my 5 ml of baking powder and 2.5 ml of bicarbonate soda. Also sieve these. And then I give this a good mix. I forgot to mention I was preheating my oven for the last 30 minutes to 180 degrees. So to my banana, I'm going to add in flours little by little. Now my batter is ready. Here I have a bundt baking pan which I use spray and cook. So I'm just going to pour in my batter into the pan. I've evened out my batter. So now this is ready to go into the oven. Now I'm going to pop this into the oven for 35 minutes, but we'll be watching. 30 minutes has passed and our cake is done. We had a shorter time for the cake because most likely this was the bun tin, so it has a hole in the center and gave it more space to rise. I'll let this cake to stand till it's completely cool, and then we'll turn it over and cut and serve. Half an hour has passed and the cake is cool, so I'm ready. I turned it over, so I'm just going to release the bun. There you go, your lovely banana cake with a nice hot cup of coffee on this cold afternoon. A nice tea time treat. This banana cake had a very few ingredients. If you have those ingredients, even your children can assist you by making them. And as for me, I cannot wait for my grandchild to grow a little because she just loves banana. And I think the first thing I will teach her is a banana cake. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.